Hi, this is Srinivas. Welcome back to my channel KSR English. See, sometimes small things will give enormous joy in our life. Recently, I read one poem that is A Dust of Snow, written by Robert Frost. Once Robert Frost was going through the woods. He was very sad and depression. He was sitting under the hemlock tree that was a poisonous tree. That tree was filled with snow. That time a bird was sitting on the tree and shook it. That snowflakes fell on him. In that moment, when snowflakes fell on him, he was just trembled and he everything whatever he had, that pain, depression and sadness, everything was gone. Okay, he was just refreshed. Okay, a small snowflakes or small particles gave him an enormous joy, enormous change in his attitude. That is I wanted to tell. So here in our life, we face many challenges, we face many uh, obstacles, but sometimes small things can bring more changes in our attitude or in our more things in our life. And one thing I wanted to tell you here, if in this story, if it was not happened him, he would have wasted his whole time, the whole day. So he was realized and he utilized the rest of the time. Thus, so here moral of the story is, don't underestimate any small things. That small things bring a lot of change in our life. Thank you so much.